Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
تكبير! الله أكبر! تكبير! الله أكبر! يا الله بسم الله الله أكبر! يا الله بسم الله الله أكبر! يا الله بسم الله الله أكبر! تكبير! الله أكبر!
So as you can see, Jeff, this is the emotions of the Turkish people, and this is the proudness of we can see emotions. They are crying now because it's a historical moment. Seriously, after 86 years, Hagia Sophia is coming back to the grandsons of the Ottoman Empire, as the Turkish people have been saying always and for a long time. So this is the true moment.
Indeed, a historic moment. Indeed, a historic moment.